Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Jellie. So today I'm back with another press-on set that I'm doing for my mom. So let's jump right in. So the first thing I'm gonna do is buff and shape the nails as usual. I just want to get rid of that little tip that comes on the nail and make sure that the side walls are nice and shaped in the way that I want them to be. We're going for like a short coffin shape. Alright, next you see I'm grabbing my e-file to, kind of etch the surface of the nail, buff it, give it a nice, etched layer so the gel polish could adhere to it really well and there's no lifting. You don't want that gel polish coming off. Side note, a sad thing about this set is that it got lost in the mail, right? So my mom actually never got it, and I've tried to get through to someone to see what happened, but that was no luck. So me and my mom came up with the conclusion that it probably got held up because I sent her some nail glue and I probably wasn't supposed to send that in the mail. So yeah, she didn't get these, but I'll be doing another set for her to have it ready by the time she comes to visit me next time. But yeah, back to the video. So now, like I said, I'm just etching the surface of that nail so I can give my gel polish something to adhere to. We don't want any lifting. And as you can see, I'm just going nail to nail. Now, this looks really aggressive, but I am barely pressing down on the surface of the nail. I am going at a very low speed. My e-file in itself, since I'm a beginner, doesn't go really high. I can't remember what the RPMs are. In the next video I'll make sure I mention it, or I'll leave it in the description box below. But I don't even have it at the highest speed. I'm just really it's sped up, so that's why it looks really aggressive, but I'm not pressing down that hard. I noticed using an e-file is a lot faster than going through with a hand filed, and surprisingly I have better control of it and I get more of the surface area using the e-file versus using my hand file. And on my e-file you see I have on a sanding band. It actually came with the kit. This is the Melody Susie. It's for beginners. It is an e-file. I'm gonna leave the link in the description box below. I purchased this. I can't talk. I purchased it from Amazon, and it was very inexpensive. I think it was like between $15 or $20. Could be less, but I'm definitely make sure I leave the link in the description box down below. Now I apologize, in some parts of the video I do go out of the camera's view. Like I was literally just working. I wasn't even thinking about it. So I'm going to try to do a better job of being aware and making sure that I am actually under the camera lens so you can see what I'm doing. So I just wanted to get this out because I had this in my phone for quite some time, and I'm just like, I need to go ahead and edit this and get this done and post it and try to be consistent. That's the goal. But I'm really just doing this for fun, and I just started back doing press-ons now that I have the free time. I've honestly been doing my own nails, doing like an overlay of poly gel on my nails, just testing it out to see how I do. I have tried to film it a few times, but it just didn't come out with enough to actually create a decent video. So like I said, I will do better with trying to capture what I am doing on the camera, but hey, it's still good. You know, I took out most of the parts where you just couldn't see anything, but as you can see, going back to the video because I'm ranting, I am just etching the layer, the shiny layer on the press-on nails. These are full cover nails that I got from Amazon. I'll leave the link down in the description box for this one too. And now the surface is all etched, so I'm going in with my dehydrator and my primer. I don't know if you have to do this for press-on nails, but I do it when I'm doing my natural nails or my daughter's nails. So I just decided, like, hey, why not? Let's see if this works. And I had the set for a while before I actually shipped it, and I didn't see any lifting or cracks or anything, so I don't know if that made any difference. Let me know if you guys use dehydrator and primer if you were to do press-on nails. If you see this video, let me know down in the comments what you think, and if you do that, or what your technique is. You know, help a sister out. Tell me something I don't know. I'm still learning myself, but like I said, I just wanted to share my, you know, DIY nail journey with you guys. So now I am going in with the base coat, and I'm applying it over the surface of the nail, making sure to go from side to side, back to front. I wipe off the excess and then I cure it in the lamp for 30 seconds. And I don't cure it much longer because I have a pretty high wattage lamp, which is like, I think it's 80 watts, so I don't have to cure it for too long, and plus I'm going to be curing it over and over again, and I don't want the nail to start to like buckle or bend because of the gel polish getting too hard, and you know, because I have a lot more curing to go as I add layers of polish. And also one thing that the, you know, etching does and filing down the shiny surface of the nail, it helps to thin the nail a little bit so you can kind of build back up on it without it being too bulky in the end. So that actually worked out for me with this set. So I'm just going through all 10 nails and applying the clear gel base coat. This is a Beetles base coat. Their base coat and top coat are amazing. It adheres really well. The top coat is super shiny. Like, you can do their top coat as a gel overlay and it's pretty legit, and you know, so shout out to Beetles. And I'll leave the link for these two products in the description box below. I get all my nail stuff from Amazon pretty much, or my local beauty supply store. Maybe if I see something in Walmart, but usually I'm getting it from Amazon or the beauty supply store. So as you can see, I'm just applying that base coat from the cuticle area of the press-on all the way to the tip, making sure I wipe off the excess on the sides. Don't want that to get up under the nail. It'll make it really hard when it comes to adhering the nail to the natural nail with your nail glue. So I want to make sure I get that from up under there, because once it cures, it's on there, you know. And then too, if you make that mistake and don't remember to do that, don't panic. I've done that before, and I just go in with my hand file and kind of try to file it down a little bit without taking too much of the polish off on the sides of the nail, the actual edge of the nail. So I try not to get on the sides where I don't file off the gel polish. You know, I enjoy making press-on nails. They're therapeutic. I've always enjoyed doing my nails. Since I was a little girl, I was like obsessed with doing my nails. I would like, for a long time, I was not allowed to polish my nail with any color, so I would just like have the like thickest coat of clear nail polish on my hand. You know, it was that serious to me. So now I am moving on to applying my color gel polish. And when me and my mom talked about it, she wanted something nice and bright because, you know, she lives in the Caribbean right now on St. Croix. Shout out St. Croix. So I just wanted to make sure I adhere the polish as evenly in one layer as possible. I got these gel polishes from Amazon, of course, and I'm gonna link that down in the description box below. It came in like a 24-pack set just to get me started. And so she wanted something really nice and bright to go with the tropical, you know, vibe down there. Of course, it's always sunny most of the time. And so I'm just applying that, starting at the center of the nail, moving to the sides, and I'm making sure I come to the tip of the nail. And I do apply a layer to the free edge of the tip of a nail just to kind of give it that finished look and hide any, you know, etching I may have done trying to get that tip that comes on there, you know. So yeah. So now I'm going in with my second coat of polish. So each nail is going to be different. I did do some designs on other nails. So I'm starting out with my polish. Excuse my dog if you hear my dog. She's our little alarm. I think my husband just left the house. Anyway, back to the video. This is what happens when you don't have like a recording studio. You just kind of doing this for fun, right? I'm having fun doing this. Are you guys having fun watching my video? If so, make sure you hit that thumbs up, give it a like, and subscribe to the channel, and tap that notification bell so you could be notified for when I upload a video. I don't have a set schedule yet. Like I said, I'm just having fun with it. Hopefully, as I grow, I can, you know, even grow my channel even more. But yeah, either way, thank you for watching. If you've made it this far, really, thank you so much for watching. All right, look how beautiful that nail is. That color is just so bomb. I love hot pink in the summertime. Can't ever go wrong with hot pink. So I am applying a second coat to the second thumbnail. And these are gonna come out so bomb. They are. Unfortunately, my camera just died on me at one point, and I didn't even realize that it wasn't recording when I was like doing some of the designs and the other nails. So some parts I didn't catch. Sad face. Some parts I did not catch, but you are going to see what these nails turned out to be, and they're so pretty. I was really proud of this press-on set, and I was so sad. I was so depressed that my mom didn't get them. And I think that's probably why I delayed doing this video, because I had to get over myself and get over the situation of my mom not getting them, because I was really sad about it. But like I said, I'll make sure I hook her up when she comes to visit. That is just so pretty. So I applied that top coat, threw that back in there, because I was deciding like, let me do nail to nail, like set, like thumbnail, you know, index finger, ring finger, just so I can make sure I kind of do the same design for each nail, you know. trying to be cohesive. So on this finger, I actually applied a pink Jellie polish. It's also a set that I got from Amazon. And I wanted to give the nail a little bit of a contrast with this super bright hot pink, and just giving it this contrast with, you know, this hot pink jelly see-through kind of vibe going on. It was really cute. And I added some iridescent flakes to the pointer finger, or index finger, whichever one you call it, of the nail, the press-on nail, to kind of give it like a, you know, iridescent kind of, I don't know, I was going for like a jelly gemstone-y kind of look. I don't know if that makes sense. In my head it does. But that's the look I was going for, if you can imagine that. That was just such a pretty see-through color. I was like, oh, I like that. I like to always like step back and admire it, like, oh. So in between every polish, I'm throwing the nails under the UV lamp and tapping them for about 30 to 60 seconds, depending, honestly, on when I remember to take them out. Try not to go past 60 seconds. And you see how I flip the brush back? I just want to make sure that that cuticle area gets polished as well. You don't want to leave that unpolished. And every time I'm wiping off the sides, as I mentioned, just to make sure that that color doesn't get up under the press-on nail before I cure it. So I don't know if you noticed my nails. This is me. That was me testing out the clear poly gel that I had. They were cute, but you know. Oh, this is a part where I am putting on the iridescent flakes. I struggle with this. This thing took me so long. I think I don't have the right adhesion that I need to adhere the flakes. And I was just using the tacky layer of the gel polish, and I think I needed something else. So I'm gonna do my research and figure out what I was missing. I have been, but I just haven't come up with anything yet. So I'm gonna continue. If you have any ideas, make sure you let me know in the description box below. Like I said, seasoned nail techs, nail artists, manicurists, help your girl out, okay? I watch y'all videos, but sometimes, you know, I might miss things. All right, and look at that. It came out pretty cool. I was pretty pleased with it once I got it where it needed to be. And I cured that after I got it right. And then voila. This is the final look. So as I mentioned before, I didn't get to do all of the other nails. I didn't get to record it. I didn't get to capture it. But this is the final look. Isn't that so cute? I love it. My mom loved it when she saw it too. All right, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.